All right, it's 100 billion degrees here in Oklahoma, 100 degrees. And I've got the swamp cooler on max here, but I can't shoot a video with this thing roaring. But this SOB works freaking great to cool you down. So let's get right to the purpose of this video, is to show and tell my latest and greatest creation called Dragonfly. This is named after the Vietnam era Cessna A37B Dragonfly Super Tweet close air support aircraft that saved a lot of lives in combat during the Vietnam War. So it's a perfect name. If you ever look it up, it is a cool little aircraft, special ops kind of thing. Small, just like this guy. And of course, this guy over here, Phantom, 300 watts per channel, is a monster. Stage level performance right there. Nice mess, right? All right, let's get right down to the nitty gritty. This is my second attempt to make a video of this box because the first one absolutely sucked. Exterior. This is a 40 millimeter ammo can that had many issues to get paint to stick to it, and also had a lot of boo-boo marks on here I had to fill in with JB Weld and resand. But essentially what it looked like was that job right down there. That's a 40 millimeter can that I had on a previous build, and you know, rotten can. You can see where the band support was right there. Anyway, long story short, first paint job sucked. Sanded it off and primed it, then sanded the primer, and then went with this color here, which I call it kind of an earth tone. I don't know what you call it, but it's a pretty cool looking color. It turned out pretty good. It's a flat color right there. All right, let's get to the nitty gritty. So I don't want to make this a too long a video, but there's lots and lots to talk about. Let's turn it on. Let's listen to it for a few seconds without getting a copyright violation. That should be enough not to get a copyright violation. These are Skar Audio EVL series 6.5 inch subwoofers, D2, wired for 4 ohms each. And you're thinking, oh, subwoofer don't make midtones. Bull crap. Yes, they do. Especially these small ones. They go up to probably a good 2,000-3,000 hertz. And I have tweeters right in here. These are these Dayton Audio NDF soft dome tweeters with custom made grills. Those are those little computer cooling fans that you have, you can see. It's a 40 millimeter type deal. I just kind of used the hammer and smashed them down, and they went in there perfectly. These are VU meters, nothing scientific, just for like when the volume comes up, these blink and get brighter. This is a front firing bass port, tuned. Cabinet is tuned for about 45 hertz. Oh, big old carrying handle right here, heavy duty with hardened bolts in there, because it's 39 freaking pounds. That's the only thing that's wrong with this can. It's 39 pounds. It's a heavy cuss. Volume control knob, even if you're Bluetoothing, which I am right here, still controls the amplifier. See there? On and off switch right here, lighted, 12 volt, and then a power socket for USB phone charging. All right, back side. Oh yeah, before I get to the back side, let me show you real quick with the grill here. I have some metal grills that I got from a vendor in Ukraine, but as you can see, they don't fit. So I contacted him to make me the correct ones, and he hasn't gotten back to me. So, and I don't particularly like black on this one right here. I like these chrome would look kick-ass, but these don't fit. And I wish you'd freaking come there. And I have these plastic ones I tried getting on there, and I'm not doing plastic. And if I really want this sumbitch to go loud, pop in these 6.5 inch mid-bass 4 ohm deals. These things bark. These things bark. So imagine 150 watts per channel pushing these guys. It just would scream. And it screams right now anyway. Backside, usual goodies, RCA input, aux, DC power port, right here for the lithium battery inside. It's a Dakota Lithium 10 amp battery. That's the Dakota Lithium battery charger right there. And you just plug it in right there to get a full charge. Right there. Kaboom. Kaboom. Lift the lid open. Set it down like this so I can show you my work on the lid. So I put a little bit of Mat 66 on here, and also that boom mat material right here. And this also has a layer of boom mat right up here to show you the inside goodies. Alright, the battery is tucked way down in there. This is the NVX VAD M2 stereo amplifier, rated for 150 watts times 2 RMS at 4 ohms. NVX Bluetooth receiver, Planet Audio equalizer, car equalizer. What's great about this thing, if you can see right here, normally these have like 50 hertz or whatever frequency, but you can actually adjust the frequency to where you want it and then increase or decrease that frequency. Kick-ass equalizers. For the tweeters crossover, I'm using a 100 watt 40 ohm resistor parallel with the woofer, and then that goes into a 100 volt 33 microfarad capacitor to protect the tweeters from getting too much power. As I said before, it's a front arrow port design with very minimal huff and chuff. I mean, very, very little. This is a bent elbow plumbing piece. Sorry about that lawnmower in the back. My timing is great in it. It's an RCA input jack. I don't have these connected yet because I don't have the cables, but these go into here. Then if you want to go from Bluetooth to aux, you just hit that button right there. Easy peasy lemon squeezy is what she said, right? So there you have it. Hopefully this camera didn't get too much jittery on you, and I don't get a copyright violation, but there you have it. I love making these things. All right, hey, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, let me know, and I'll answer them, or I'll try to, whatever. All right, it's hot out. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.